Hey, so we are at a house where they wanted some of our proflips. 5-foot 3x3 extensions turned into flip ups with our very nice proflip brackets. And yes, they do come in 3x3. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm gonna make these up really quick and then go put them on. Don't want it to be too tight. Just like that. Nice and sleek. Last summer, I invented this product. I just wanted something better to put on people's homes, because anybody who's got a flip up extension, they had the top bracket or whatever you want to call it, and they just never last. They always end up falling off or busting off. And so I wanted something that I could put on people's houses and they would stay there for 10 plus years or till the next hailstorm. Anyways, so I invented this bracket, got some patents on it and this and that, and I got some special equipment to help me stamp out these parts. So we'll go put this on and then install this so you can see how it works, and they're actually pretty cool. This flip up is a left swing B flip up, we would call it, because it doesn't go straight out from the house, it goes down to the left, which required a different style of pro flip bracket. But you'll see that in a second. That's it, we got it done. Pro flips looking nice, working good, worked good for a long time. Best product out there for keeping your flip up extensions up. So I think this went well. On to the next.